Morning, guys. 2012 Nissan Sentra. The other day I was driving and the slip light came on. Right, I'll show you the light in a minute. Let me turn the ignition on. You'll see it. Oh, right here. There it goes. Let's shut that off, turn it back on. Okay, that's the light that came on, the one on top. It's a slip light, but the problem was with this slip light, I wasn't able to turn it on and off with the button that's down here. So I got my scanner, I put the scanner on it, and it came up as a faulty mass air sensor. So I went ahead, I went to AutoZone, I picked up a can of electric parts cleaner, and I took the mass air sensor out. I sprayed it down, cleaned it, put it back in. I also deleted the code to see if it'll come back, but it haven't. But I'm gonna change it anyway. So I ordered the mass air sensor off of Amazon because I didn't feel like going back to AutoZone, you know, to wait online again. So this is it. I'll put the link in the description. I already took it out of the casing, but here I just want to show you guys what it is. So this is it. So the old one, the sensor's right here. You can also see it right there. Give you guys a close-up, but that's the sensor. So you take the electric parts cleaner and you spray it in there and clean it real good, and then you let it air dry for at least half an hour to an hour, and then you stick it back in and see, you know, if the car shuts the code off. If it doesn't shut the code off, you can manually delete the code and drive the car and see what happens. But if it comes back, I suggest you change it like I did, which I'm about to do. Sorry. So let's go ahead and get to the engine. Here's my plug right here. It's the handle. Okay, and this is the sensor right there. So I'm gonna clip this onto the hood. Be right back, guys. Okay, let's get you clipped onto the hood. Get you adjusted. Which is right here. We're gonna disconnect mass air connector. Go get a screwdriver. So it's a screwdriver, fit it right in there. I'm able to take it out with a screwdriver because I already took it out to clean it. So, but if you don't, I believe it looks like either an 8mm or a 7mm socket to take it off. Screw on the battery right here. Okay. Try not to drop these screws. These screws are really hard to get. Okay. There we go. 2 screws. Take the sensor out. See, which is pretty clean because I cleaned it the other day. Let's leave that right there. So we'll get the other one. And this is the original. This is original Nissan. See all the numbers on it. So we're gonna swap it out with the new one. And it goes only one way, so you can't mess it up. screws in. Always put your hand underneath the screw, because in case if you drop it, it falls in your hand. Why are you not going in? Oh, you are going in, just very slowly. Okay, give it a nice quarter turn. Put the connector back in. Now let's go test the car, see if it starts. Keys. I'll save this just in case. This is the original sensor. Keep that like this in the car. Back in the car. So we do a test. Car's idling nice. I got a tire light on. Okay, gotta fix that. There's no lights on the dash. That's a good thing. Now let's go ahead and shut it off. There we go. Problem fixed. The part was less than $20.